Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my social media planner. It is for the week of March 29th through April 4th. So it is the first week of April. Sorry, my hair just got in there. I am going to continue using the In Bloom Planners Anonymous sticker book. You can find these at Michael's. They are absolutely lovely. So if you haven't seen them before, I do have a flip through of them. I absolutely adore. Okay, so there's like this purplish theme in the front, and then there's this gardening, beautiful spring theme in the back. So that's what I'm going to be using today. I hope you stay and join me for this. I'm going to start with some really pretty girls, because why not, right? I'm kind of checking if the checklist will fit in a daily, but it's a little too long, and these are too precious to cut because look, they have little flowers in the to-do section. So I might add them eventually as I'm planning, but for right now I'm not going to be doing that. Just want to reposition this. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And if you are new here and visiting, welcome. I am so happy you found me. If you like content like this, please make sure you subscribe. And also, you guys should check out my giveaway. It's only going through April 1st. So I am going to be picking a winner on the 2nd. If you guys are interested in flowers and florals and new planners, I have a full giveaway going right now. I am going to start with this beautiful big sticker box, and the reason I'm doing this, sometimes I like to put quotes down there, so that's exactly what I'm going to be doing within that box. And it has framed it already with flowers on top and the bottom, so it's kind of perfect. Okay, there we go. I think this is so cute. Okay. Now I want to see what else should I put in here. First and foremost, I want to place this beautiful girl with all of the florals. I think she is so gorgeous and she needs to live in my planner. So there you go. Isn't she adorable? With all of the florals, I think that's so cute. Okay. And there's another one, and I'm gonna place her on Sunday. And this one is holding a huge flower, and I'm just gonna remove some of the darker harsher lines. I will leave the faint lines on, but the dark black one has to go. So there, isn't she cute? So I have two of them. They are kind of parallel to each other, but that's okay. I think once I add more elements, this might even out and not look that particular way. Okay, so now I'm adding envelope of flowers. So basically, happy mail. This is how I feel when I get stickers from, like when my stickers get shipped and I know that there's a floral sticker in there. Woohoo! And look at this bicycle! Oh my lord! If I place it right, it's going to look like she was riding it and it's just parked. So let's see. Ugh. I'm messing it up. Okay, almost. I'm gonna lift the back and kind of reposition very, very gently. It has so many like little elements, and I'm so glad it's on a clear sticker page because I can't imagine pulling this up on a paper sticker. There we go. So this needs to be at the right angle in order for it to look like it's coming, like it belongs to that girl, like so. I think that looks really good, and it doesn't really interfere with that box either, so that is pretty great. And then we have this little sign that says grown with love. I think that's pretty good as well, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my ruler to flatten it out because it rolled up in like one little spot. Okay, there we go, that's fixed. And then this one says happiness grows here. I'm kind of trying to see where to put it, and I think I'm going to put it right there. This is where I track my growth, and as far as subscribers and followers go, so happiness grows here for sure. Every time I grow and gain a subscriber, one of you joins. I am so excited and happy. So that's by far a very, very true statement. Okay, I'm gonna add a couple boxes. This one says to do. Look at the little one with the rain boots. It's so adorable. I just can't. It's so cute. Okay, and then this one can go right on Thursday. And then that one on Wednesday, and I think that looks pretty good, especially that's the same florals as in that Happy Mail envelope. Okay, next up, let me move that box over so it's kind of in a row and it looks more cohesive. And then if we played the game which one doesn't match, of course it's the bottom one, it's gotta go. So I'm going to move both of these stickers, and of course this time I'm going to use undo as these are paper and I would prefer not to ruin them. Yep, sometimes it's pretty tricky to take them off, so I'm going to lift up. I don't think I put enough undo, maybe that was it. But there we go, that's lifted. Let's do the other one. So I'm gonna move one of them out. And I'm gonna place this beautiful rounded sticker on a bottom, I think. Yep, I think that looks good. I'm sorry, I'm a little off of the camera. Okay, so here we go. I think that's so lovely. Okay. Looks like this little girl might be barefoot. Let's add some rain boots next to the Grown with Love. It looks like she took them off. And I'm gonna add a little bundles of decorational joy. So here we go. There's one. There's that beautiful floral. And I can add this one next to April. I think I'm just gonna like add little details all over the place and make it kind of cute. So let's see. And a big one. Yeah, that looks pretty great. I do need some headers to cover up these bills to pay and calls to buy, errands. All of that needs to be covered up. I think I am going to use those write your own headers with the floral background and cover those up. Okay, so here we go. And now I'm going to add 2 little checklists right there. One is for my Instagram posts and one is for my video schedule. So that's kind of how I do those. And I think that will work out pretty great. So I'm gonna just add it like so. And I feel like it's a little bit naked, like right above that girl. So let me see if I can add another little decoration in there. Maybe that bouquet, but tilted. Yep, I think that works pretty well. This is one busy spread, oh my lord. Okay, so I'm gonna add a flower right next to the happiness grows here. I think that will work out well. It's gonna fill up the spread, especially looking at it kind of already full. And then one more on the other side. I think that will balance it out. Okay, and now I'm going to write my prompts. So we have videos to film and videos to edit. I'm back to filming again. I'm back on a regular schedule. And then we have IG posts. So our lovely Instagram is where we mostly connect, and of course here on YouTube. So I love both of those platforms very much, and they truly allow me to express myself. And then of course the schedule of the videos coming out is right next to it, especially because I want to make sure they correlate to each other. And this is where I track my Instagram and YouTube, but I don't know if I like written it the way I did, kind of simple. So I'm gonna see if I can find something to cover those up. Look how fun these are. All of these are so fun. Okay. And then we have the water schedule. Okay. Let's see. I just need the tiniest little flags or checklist or something. And I think I found them. Let's see if there's another one. And I think that's it. And I'm gonna use this beautiful yellow and put Instagram and YouTube. Let's see. And I think I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Bye!